Okay, let's get it. All right, guys. Like I predicted, guys, Voyager just, paused all its withdrawals. It's another exchange that stopped its customers from being able to withdraw their money. We're going to get into that and other crypto news, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Rod the Water God. I give you up-to-date information on crypto news and finance information that you need to know about. Okay, so if you like hearing about finance information that you need to know about, make sure you subscribe to the channel. All right, guys. So Voyager, all right, they just stopped all withdrawals. Okay, and we shouldn't be surprised. Okay, and the reason why we shouldn't be surprised is because Three Arrows Capital, all right, Three Arrows Capital owes Voyager about $646 million worth in crypto. So what does that do for Voyager is it makes it hard for them to be able to let anybody withdraw their money. All right, so this is a big warning for everybody who's in crypto that you have to get a wallet that you have the keys to, that no one else is holding your keys and letting you withdraw. And if you guys are unfamiliar, I have a link where you can get the Trezor wallet. The link is below, where you can get the Trezor wallet and you can put your crypto in there. So you have full responsibility of it. This is so important, guys. It's so important, okay? Now, Voyager, okay, they just announced can't withdraw, all right? We already know that Celsius did it. Okay, we are trying to make sure any other coins or any other crypto that you're in, that this doesn't happen to you. Okay, so the best thing to do right now is to definitely put your crypto, have your crypto safe, have your money in a safe position. Okay, and that's the bottom line of that. All right, guys. So this all happened because they're down $646 million. Somebody owes them. All right, so they're kind of in a rock and a hard place right now. They're like, what do we do? All right, so $500 million. Okay, so let's look at what else going on in the crypto world, guys. We got, after losing 60 billion in Bitcoin, you got El Salvador president is still buying more Bitcoin. Now, if you guys didn't know that El Salvador's president, he started buying the Bitcoin around the $40,000 range, but he kept dollar cost averaging in. So he took a pretty good loss. But guys, I think this is the lowest, I predicted it will go to 12,000, by the way. And it looks like if we make it past next week without going and having that big drop, it looks like we may have seen, the bottom. All right, so I'm hearing a lot of whales are buying in big. So we may look at that 17,000 may have been the bottom. All right, so but only time will tell. Okay, but with other news, Mark Zuckerberg just announced that
here's what traditional business
he told all his Meta staff.
And here's
sorry
crypto.
about that, guys. He told all his Meta.
That's where the
don't want to be quiet. Okay, Mark Zuckerberg told his staff he's upping performance goals to get rid of employees who shouldn't be here. So basically, this is another Elon Musk move where he's basically cutting the fat. So right now is the time that, any industry that's good right now, if you're in an industry that's good right now, you need to definitely buckle down. And everybody's preparing for increase in gas prices, increase in food prices, to be able to manage their business. So this isn't shocking to me. I think all of the big, the Zuckerbergs, the Amazons, and the Elon Musk, they're going to be doing this all across the board. All right, just so they can protect their assets. Okay, they can protect their business. Well, pretty much their profits, not their asset or their business, because that's probably not going anywhere. So if we look at the market, guys, let's look at the market and see Bitcoin's at 19.2. All right. So, I mean, it's been staying around that range. We went down all the way to 18,000 and we kind of came up. So that made me to believe that the 17,000 may have been his bottom. If we would have went further down and came up and had that big jump, like I told you guys what I'm looking for, that's what's going to let me know the bottom is out. Okay, the bottom is in. I didn't see that with the 18,000. It just went up a little bit to 19,000. So, but we did go from 17,000 to 21,000. So it wasn't like a huge spike up, but it was a pump. So this could be a possibility that Bitcoin is at its bottom. Now I'm still dollar cost averaging in because I feel that, in crypto, I believe that crypto will go back to its all-time highs. It may take a couple years, may take 3, it may be in a year, but I think that crypto will bounce back, and I think it won't be at these prices. Okay, so just a risk I'm willing to take because I believe in the crypto industry, but this isn't financial advice. This isn't telling you guys, hey man, you should be buying right now, but I think that this is the lowest that it's gonna probably get. After 2, 3 years, 4 years, it's it. Inflation is up, everything's up. I think this is also gonna be up. So that's just my opinion now, guys. So I'm definitely, the coin that I'm definitely looking at is Solana, seeing how that performs. But Bitcoin right now is something that I'd rather dollar cost average in, and then once I get certain spikes, I'll kind of go into my altcoins, but I'm kind of more just Bitcoin right now. All right. So, guys, that's it for this video. Guys, make sure you leave me a comment and let me know what you think about Mark Zuckerberg, Voyager. Do you think we will have another exchange that will halt all of the withdrawals? Okay, BlockFi just got bailed out by FTX, but they're not off the ropes. Okay, so guys, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Also, we have a link for you to get your Trezor wallet, so you can have full responsibility for your crypto and no one has to tell you you can't withdraw your funds. All right, so guys, make sure you invest smart and always take profits. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.